for sure we will be back next year because we found it a very interesting event where we learned quite a lot, and maybe we will bring a few more colleagues.
Welcome to the Digitas Digital Innovation Summit, second edition, here at Fort Voordorp in the middle of the Netherlands. So today people can learn a lot about exciting topics in the area of digital. They can learn about Internet of Things, they can learn about smart living, they can learn about customer engagement, they can learn to become better in the digital competition.
The change happens fast and it's also unexpected and it's always very often neglected. And I think that the boards of an organization, they should have a real open view. And you know what it also enforces a board to do is speak to all the layers in their organization. Because the dangers that organizations and the challenges that they have are much better understood at the middle and the lower layers of the organizations than in the top. You know, traditionally people in the top have a certain age. And because of this age, they see the future less sharp as the people in the middle.
The key message is that we have to start working differently. We are now working some 3 centuries in a Newtonian way, in an analytic way, from which the feeling has left. And the feeling needs to come back. That means we are going now also to look at systems as a whole. And we want to bring feeling into it. In fact, we are complexifying both business thinking and soul thinking, getting the feeling back in what you do and that it contributes to value.
Creating a vision that's compelling, that everybody can believe and be excited by is fundamental as a CEO. And clearly, once you've got that vision established, making it happen and get everybody to be part of that experience to deliver it.
Well, for me, building a community is absolutely key. And you can actually amass a huge following through digital without actually expending many resources. So even before your product's been built, you can build a community around why you're doing things. Because today's customer and the customer tomorrow doesn't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. They want to believe what you believe. And if they share your values, they will join your community. And we've seen that with, again, Airbnb, with their community of people that travel, that host. The first thing that happens is to build a community that believe what you believe and then make things for them.
So the key is to find the right balance to fulfill expectations, at the same time be profitable. And this means you need to do business in a different way, in a more agile way, in an omni-channel way, from the pure concept onwards, and not based on legacy practices that existed in an offline world.
Where you would normally start when you are embarking on a journey of transformation, to really understand the customer, really listen, talk to the customer and understand what they are after, what their needs and wants are, or even their dreams.
Optimize what you have, but truly look at the customer ideas and intentions, and just put a little thin layer, you know, between your channels and your databases to actually truly be able to deliver consistent message to your customer. I think that's what we're all about. Customer telling us what to do and us responding, and I think there's tools out there that can actually do that. So you might not believe it, but it's really true.
I think it's our role and our job to create awareness, and we need also to teach. You know, we're teaching boards the new language, the languages as being speaking in the markets, and because this language is really changing very fast, and what I almost would like to do is reverse the pyramid. So, you know, can we bring the youngsters, you know, in charge? Because they speak the language, and how do you mix that? Because of course you need to mix youngsters that are in the middle of the society knowing what's happening, with seniority that know how to, you know, manage a big firm. But I think that those organizations that will really win will be those organizations that are really flat and that empower people and give the freedom to everybody with clear insights, you know, to empower them and to set new directions in which organizations can create value.